With more businesses spending more money on website traffic from Google and Facebook, copywriters are in constant demand. But copywriters are also in short supply because so many of us left school thinking we couldn't write. I get it, copywriting. Writing is in the word. But copywriting isn't writing like your English teacher meant it. This book was written in 1966 and it's still the copywriter's Bible half a century later. And its most famous section says, great copy isn't written, it's assembled. The copywriter's Bible says, great copy isn't written, it's assembled. Take it from someone who's been a professional writer for 26 years. 90% of copywriting is doing your research and working out what you need to say. The copywriter who knows what to say will beat the novelist and the poet every time. People aren't persuaded by getting the commas in the right places. People are persuaded because you say the right thing to the right person at the right time. Remember, great copy isn't written, it's assembled.